The easiest way to reduce your tummy is by reducing the calorie intake for the dinner. And here is a very simple dish that will help you reduce your tummy. Let's see how it is. If you are new to this video, I make videos that help people improve their health, and I make recipes which are on the principles of raw food. 99% of the times I ensure that ingredients are not heated, and therefore most nutrients are retained in the food ingredients as provided by Mother Nature. So please subscribe to the channel if you think this is a subject of interest to you as well. If you wait till the end of the video, I will also provide some nutrition details of the dinner that we will be making today, which is a vegetable salad but with a lot of difference. So I am going to take some carrots, peel off a little bit of skin which is not clean. Otherwise, skin by itself on carrots is very healthy and carries a lot of nutrients. But because we throw in so many pesticides and fertilizers, I try to be a little moderate on this. We'll take some bell peppers, chop off the top end, and also remove the seeds inside, which are usually quite hot. Not very hot compared to green chili, but still not for this dish which I am trying to make today. I am adding these cut carrot pieces. Don't worry about the ingredient proportions, I will add them by the end of the video. And I am also adding few cashews. I am a little uncertain about my dish, then the cashews come in handy for me, because when you add cashews, they will always be tasty. And then some lemon juice. We'll briefly process this. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? That is the texture we are looking for. They are crushed into tiny pieces, not necessarily a paste. Now we'll stuff this bell pepper with the carrot mix that we have just now made. I am hoping this will be good. Carrots and lemon juice go very well. Tasting time. I am not a great vegetable salad eater, but sometimes I make, and I try to make something that is interesting both visually and by taste. Hopefully it will be good, but let me see how it is. Wow. Wow. This has come up much better than I had hoped for. It's really very good. I think the carrot and lemon were in the right balance. The bell pepper gives a good crunchiness to the salad, and of course cashews add that extra bit of taste anyway. I am good with this. Now I don't take dinners, so I just made 3 of them. This is for myself. But for normal people, you may want to make maybe 5 or 6 as you wish, and that could be your dinner. The easiest way of making your tummy half is by reducing calorie intake at the dinner time. After dinner, most of us don't work a lot. We just watch TV, read a book, listen to music, and go to sleep. So we don't really consume many calories. Not a good idea to have heavy dinners. If you reduce the intake for the dinners, you can feel the difference not in a few days but just immediately, the very next day. Try it out. Believe me, you will know by the end of the next day itself, by the beginning of the next day itself. Have some vegetable salad for dinner. However tummy full you may want to have, you can have. But make sure that these are only vegetables, not even fruits, because vegetables are lighter than fruits in terms of calories. So have a vegetable salad as heavy as you wish it to be. Go to sleep. The next day morning, I'm pretty sure you will see a difference in how your tummy feels. It will be lighter. And if you do this for 1 month, it is quite likely that your tummy will make a huge difference depending on where you are on the obesity curve or the overweight curve. You might see actually your tummy getting half. I hope you liked watching this video. In case you did, please click on the like button, not just to please me, but because of the way YouTube works, its algorithm works. If there is a lot of activity on the video by likes or comments, then the video will be shown to others during the searches by people. So if you think this video will be useful to others, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day or evening. Cinnamon has so many medicinal properties. It's a very important herb in Ayurveda.